Welcome back to the Next Gen Garage, where today we dive into the pulse-pounding elegance of the all-new 2026 Ferrari Roma. Ferrari has once again blended timeless design with forward-thinking engineering to deliver a grand tourer that's not just a car, but a living, breathing statement of luxury and performance. The Roma was already known for its striking balance of beauty and speed, but the 2026 model pushes the envelope even further. Whether you're a longtime prancing horse enthusiast or just discovering the Roma, buckle up, because what Ferrari has done this time is nothing short of astonishing. Asterisk under the hood. The 2026 Ferrari Roma continues to flex its muscles with a refined version of Ferrari's 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This power plant now delivers an upgraded 670 horsepower and 591 pounds-ft of torque, pushing the Roma from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. It's mated to an improved 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that offers smoother gear transitions and quicker downshifts, whether you're taking tight corners or sprinting down the highway. The Roma feels composed, yet ferocious, exactly the way a Ferrari should. With enhanced traction control systems and recalibrated drive modes, including a sharper race mode, the 2026 Roma doesn't just perform, it dominates. This isn't just driving, it's an emotional experience. Asterisk, visually. The exterior of the 2026 Roma refines its classic Italian styling with subtle updates that give it even more presence on the road. The front grille has been reshaped slightly for improved airflow, while new LED matrix headlights now integrate seamlessly into the Roma's flowing lines. A more sculpted rear diffuser and active rear spoiler not only elevate the design, but also boost aerodynamic efficiency at high speeds. Finished in a range of new exclusive color options like Rosso Magma and Blue Roma Pearl, the car exudes confidence from every angle. This isn't just a GT Courette's rolling art that commands attention without screaming for it. The low-slung profile, flush door handles, and elongated bonnet all speak to a car designed with obsessive attention to detail. Asterisk, step inside, and the cabin tells a story of both innovation and elegance. Ferrari's dual cockpit design returns, with even finer materials, including hand-stitched semi-aniline leather, polished aluminum trims, and optional carbon fiber accents. The 2026 Roma features an updated infotainment system with a larger 11.4-inch central touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster with deeper customization options, and a passenger-side display that enhances the co-pilot's interaction with the drive. Ambient lighting now adjusts automatically to your selected drive mode, while ventilated and massaging seats are standard on higher trims. It's a space that feels futuristic without losing the tactile richness of classic Ferrari craftsmanship. The rear seats remain more symbolic than spacious, but for a GT coupe, that's expected. Asterisk, fuel efficiency might not be the first thing you think of in a Ferrari, but the 2026 Roma shows surprising discipline for a high-performance V8. Thanks to lightweight materials and updated engine mapping, the Roma now achieves an estimated 21 mpg combined. That includes a mild hybrid assist system for better efficiency during urban driving and reduced emissions when cruising. Ferrari hasn't compromised on its performance roots, but it's clear they're responding to the call for sustainability without dulling the thrill of the drive. Asterisk, with a starting price of approximately $250,000 and climbing significantly with customization options, the 2026 Ferrari Roma is positioned as a premium GT for those who demand beauty, speed, and refinement in equal measure. It's not just another exotic kit, the embodiment of Ferrari's evolving DNA. So, whether you see it gliding through a coastal highway or making an entrance at an elite event, the Roma delivers a modern Ferrari experience that's as emotional as it is elite. Asterisk, thanks for watching this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari Roma here on the Next Gen Garage.